Graphics Stash Image Library 500 unique images in a zip folder, a valuable resource for schools, colleges, or individuals. All images are a JPEG format. Download free Graphic Stash image browser to quickly locate required image. License Agreement Terms of Use. The images, designs and the menu systems are the property of DigitalPlug 2008 and are for non-commercial use. The images can be printed or digitally manipulated for personal use or educational purposes, but cannot be distributed in their original form.